You might get an opportunity to get your failures on destiny and say that I didn't have that all at that time and that's why I failed. I would tell you, if you are truly focused on what you have to do, you will not wait for any opportunity. You will not wait for the destiny. You will not wait for anything. If a person really want to do anything and we had taken everything from him and he had nothing, then also he will do it in few months or maybe in few years, but he will do it definitely because he have to do it. He won't make excuses. He will just believe in what he wanna do. He will make all things despite every bad situation he had suffered because of his willpower to do the work. Say it to you, I will be rewarded because the fire inside me is stronger than the storms outside me. I am not okay with the okay. I want everything more than okay. I didn't accept anything from anybody except me. I have my own standards. Average is not okay with me. I will focus on what I deserve. I will work for what I deserve and I will get all because of my desire. Anything wrong in my work is all up to me and solution to find it is also up to me. I am the solution for everything in my work. I will win because of me. I will get everything because of this universe help in what I believe. I will use my situation as an fuel to grow up. I do this to prove my guts. The weak people believe in luck and the successful always believe in own, and this only an successful one can understand. I will get real to my work, real to my hard work, not talking with doing, never stopping, never settling, making something more efforts and something more result that I want it at any cost. Share, like and subscribe the channel. Soon coming with a new video which will help you to make your life more better and better.